For joist tape, we have two categories of tape. We have single joists, rim joists and stringers, and then double joists and girder or beam, right? So this will be if you want to use wider tape for this section, you can choose wider tape. Or if you want to use thinner tape for this section, you can use thinner tape. Or if you want to use the same, just make sure you select the same tape for both sections, right? So for your single joist, your stair stringers, right, you don't need wide tape. You just need about 1 5/8" tape. So if you just use 1 5/8" tape for those, select that here. Now if you want to use wider tape for your doubled up joists, right, which will be calculated based on if you entered any number here, or if you just want to use wider tape for your beam or girder, you can select that here, right? So say you want to use, maybe you just want to use normal zip tape for that. You can see down here it will calculate how much tape you need based on what you've entered in above, right? Now it's important to know that if you just want to use the same tape for everything, just make sure you enter that here, right? So just enter whatever you enter in here down here, right? And then that will include it in the price right there and the amount you need, right? Because this is going to calculate, even if you don't have any doubled up joists, but you have a girder, right? You're going to want to calculate the tape you're going to need to cover up that girder. So just make sure you enter in what tape you want to use, if you want to use tape right there. And once again, that does account for stairs, right? So we need 10 rolls, but let's say we added some stairs, and we already have numbers. That's going to say, hey, now we need 12 rolls.